How to log in EPFO Employee Account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in Login EPFO Employee Account. As you do so, you will see EPFO for Employees. Click onto it. Then you will land onto its official website. Now, this might be very confusing, but just click onto Services. Then here you will see For Employees. Click onto that button. Once you're under For Employees, you have to scroll below. Under Services, choose anyone that you are hoping to get logged into. In my case, I'm going to choose One Employee, One EPF Account. Now on your right-hand side, a menu will pop up. Here you have to type in your UAN number. Once done typing your password, solve the CAPTCHA and click on to Login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on to Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. If your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.